you do. Have you seen an increased interest in people trying to enter this field?
You know, I'm going to be completely honest, Zach. I think as an industry, we need to do a lot better job of getting the message out there, because there are, you know, the blue collar industry is, everybody knows they're the backbone of our economy. Everybody knows that nothing is done unless it start. Like, I get it, you know, from a white collar perspective, the financing and everything comes first. But the first brick is laid by the blue collar industry, and the last light bulb is installed by the blue collar industry before stuff goes to market. And they don't get the attention they deserve. I'm a big
No.
sports guy, so I always say it like this: the blue collar industry is the offensive line in football. They take a ton of beating, get none of the recognition, but the people who are out there, the decision makers, they know who the real hard workers are in this country. And it's like, I mean, I'm blue collar to the core, man. At the end of the day, everybody I know, all the people that I like, they're all in the blue collar industry. And the thing is it's like, people don't realize how much money you can actually make
Yes.
doing this. You can be an electrician and be a multimillionaire, you
Yes.
know?
Absolutely. These are one of the big things is we need to even change the way we refer to them. They're not jobs, they're careers.
Correct. They're entrepreneurs, they're business owners, they're all of that.
Exactly. And you build a great lifestyle for yourself, for your family. You get to have such a level of freedom. And another big thing is you're not saddled with debt.